Okay, number 3 says, this is 3 on the medium side. Sketch a pair of parallel lines and write their equations in slope-intercept form. So parallel lines, I do need a pair of parallel lines. And there's nothing on here, so I could sketch any old lines that I want. So let's see. I do want them parallel, so my slopes have to be the same. So if I make my first line, it doesn't even matter how I make it. Maybe I want it to go through this point and, I don't know, this point. So I'm going to randomly pick those 2 points. And I'm going to use a ruler. Obviously, I'm going to cheat and just do a line that goes through these. Pretend like this line goes forever. I'll extend it this way some. Okay, so here's my first line. I just made that up. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do my rise over run here to see what my slope is and what my y-intercept is. So if we remember how to do our... So those are the 2 points I picked. So that is a rise 1, 2, and a run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the slope of this line, and it is going uphill. So uphills are always positive slopes, right? So the slope of this is rise 2 and run 7. In order to write my equation, I also need my y-intercept. So if I look at my picture, my y-intercept is where it crosses my y-axis, and it crosses it right here. Bam, my y-intercept is right there at down 2, so my b is -2. So the slope of this first line that I made is y equals 2 over 7 x minus 2. So that is my first line I drew. Now I need one that's parallel. So all I got to do is make sure I have the same slope. So I could start him anywhere I want. Maybe I want to make him up here, crossing right there. I do know my slope has to be 2 over 7. So I do know I have to go up to 1, 2, and run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I know he's got to go through this point. So he's going to look like that. Clearly I did not use a ruler that time. So, and to write my equation, it's going to be y is equal to, it's still 2 over 7, has to be, and there's still an x, obviously. And where I chose to cross my y-intercept is right here at +2. So that's going to be +2. So here is a sketch of a pair of parallel lines, and I wrote their equations in slope-intercept form. Bam.